Kumba Iron Ore says that this is the first time it's offered a community supplier the opportunity to not only provide support services, but to do actual mining. The deal is expected to benefit people from previously disadvantaged backgrounds in the local communities. About 266 direct job opportunities will be created through this venture, which aims to mine 5 to 10 million tons of ore this year alone. But many SMEs are still battling to get vendor numbers to operate due to red tape and bureaucracy. Kumba is optimistic that this deal will open more doors and empower people, mainly from the local mining communities.
This is the very first one for local communities. We've always utilized contractors, but they would come from outside of our host communities. This is the first that it has 100% of owners that come from the communities. And the companies themselves, they've been involved in a smaller scale with us, providing other services, most of them also related to the actual process of mining. And it also forms part of how we identify, develop, and grow SMMEs in the area where we're operating. So we actually see them grow.
Mapeo-Andi Mining Services is a joint venture between 4 different Kuruman-based mining companies. They were previously mainly involved in small-scale mining, and now they are optimistic that this deal will open more doors for them. The company says it is 100% black-owned and there's no fronting involved.
One will sit and think and say, how are these people going to do it? This is a big contract. This is this, because historically, obviously, certain companies have not played in that particular space. But as I said, what puts us apart is the issue that we have the experience in terms of this, and that's how then we brought some other companies so that they can also be able to gain some experience in terms of this kind of operations. So we pride ourselves that this is 100% black-owned, 100% local. There's no fronting in terms of this. It's totally 100% entity that is doing this work, and we have already started executing this particular project. And obviously, we're still waiting for more new equipments to arrive through so that we continue executing this particular project.
Mapeo-Andi says the venture will not only benefit them, but is going to provide subcontracts to the youth and women-owned businesses in the local community to help them grow. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News.